Hi, I'm BJ with Wikidosha, and today we're going to learn about the Equipment tab. At the main page of the app, go to the Equipment tab and click it. Here's a list of all your equipment. Let's click one. Here you'll manage all your equipment with identification numbers. Here in the comment section, you can add special instructions for certain equipment, service and maintenance records, equipment location, or utilize it however you need. To add information about certain equipment, click the Edit Equipment button. Here you'll be able to upload videos like this one.
We're going to perform a walk-around inspection of a sit-down.
OSHA may ask for the owner's manual, like this, or proof of repairs. And once you're finished, click Update Equipment, and now the equipment has been updated. And when you go back, you can see when it was created and the last time it was updated. Now, assigning equipment to a site-specific plan is just clicks away. Well, that's it for today's Wikid tutorial. Thank you.